Okay, a very, very good afternoon to all of you. Thank you so much for joining in. The idea of today's meeting is just to maybe for me to get to know all the elders a little better, for the elders to know each other better, for us to do a lot of man ki baat, dil ki baat. We can talk in Hindi,
मन की बात
we can talk in English, we can talk in Punjabi, whatever we are comfortable in. Whatever I'll ask you a few questions. The idea is, like I said, a lot of fun. I want all of you to enjoy while you're answering the question, and I will really like everybody to participate. However, we'll go one by one. I'll take your names and then you can answer. So once again, welcome to all of you here who I'm sure have so much of experience behind each one of you, right? Somebody has 30 years of work experience, somebody has a 40 years of work experience, somebody has a 50 years of work experience. So a lot of work experience around them. If I put all of you together, I think I was telling SP Singh uncle last time that all of you put together will be more than maybe 150, 200 years of work experience. However, this today topic is called the other side of me. So quickly we'll begin with an introduction. Now what I want to ask each one of you is to introduce yourself in a way where you're not talking about your business, you're not talking about your work, you're just talking about yourself, your interests, your hobbies, your family, and maybe something that not many people are aware about, right? We'll we'll try to keep it short, crisp, sweet, maybe about 1 to 2 minutes maximum. And so let's begin with a little introduction here. We'll start with
Mr. Kuldeep.
Okay, we'll start with Mr. Kuldeep Singh.
After completing 30 years of professional life, my last phase of life has started. And after that, during this period, basically I am trying to live my own way of life. That is, what are my personal goals? When I use our personal goal, I'm trying to use whatever I like to do all my life. For instance, content writing, music, singing, uh, then social welfare activities, and try to express myself in different ways in which I enjoy as well as I can be useful to the society. This in short, I'll say my introduction.
Great, great, great. Thank you, thank you. That was a quick introduction. We'll go to Harbans uncle.
Well, I celebrated, we all celebrated together my 81st birthday about 4 months back. So obviously I'm retired. Honestly speaking, not not doing anything constructive, even though I would like to do. More disconnected with my health issues and all that. And spend some time, 2, 3 days in a week, playing cards. I enjoy watching old movies. I have a collection of about 150 old movies, which I watch on DVD. And a movie like Waqt, I can finish within maybe 70, 75 minutes. See, whatever we like, I watch that much. And whatever is can be fast forwarded, that's an advantage of watching on DVD. Um, Start the day with Gurbani and yoga and all those things. It's a great pleasure to be with the family. I think that's what I would say. You asked me about my wife. She is my pillar. You asked me also that I shouldn't tell certain things. I can't tell because my wife is here. Thank you.
Point noted, uncle. Thank you, thank you.
So I I I am basically operating from Gurgaon, living with my family there, and I have had a few careers of my own. I was first in the State Administrative Service Government of Rajasthan. So I spent some 17 years there. Then worked for a multinational company, so an exposure to a private business. So spent around 9 years there. I was last head of sales of an MNC, and then spent around 9-10 years working under my wife, who was running an interior designing firm. And so I have had experience of a government job, a private company's job, and one's own business. Now I am almost free from any committed businesses and stuff like that. What I'm presently doing is helping my daughter with the PhD admissions, etc., that she's been trying. And other than that, I reflect on various things. I try to write and spread messages to people. Keep healthy, because I've been a sportsman all through, and because of COVID, the outward mobility is a bit of obstructed. But I do a lot of cycling these days, and hopefully, Corona permitting, very soon, I'll go to my first love, which remains tennis. So overall, God has been extra kind. Family has been extra loving and kind, and I'm so happy. I'm in the midst of elderly people like Sardar Harbans Singh, Kuldeep Singh, and Iqbal Singh, and my brother-in-law, Colonel PV Singh, who have always been guiding. Manmeet has been a very affectionate colleague. So thanks very much. Being wonderfully, it is being really good company of such great people. Yeah.
Good evening, Sat Sri Akal, everyone.
Sat Sri
I
Akal ji.
am Colonel PV Singh. We live in Gurgaon, and I've been here for 10 years. I've settled down here after retirement from Army. I served in Army for about 36 years all over India, and I originally belonged to this place. After retirement, came and settled down here. Our children they're all foreigners. They live in 2 different countries. My son is in Canada and my daughter is in Australia. 2 of us are here, and now post-retirement, after a very exciting and very fruitful and very rewarding service in the Army, we have been going to our children during summers. Now, even that has not been possible last year and this year. So I indulge in few hobbies, few things which I like for my own pleasure, for my own happiness, and some service to society also, like growing trees, gardens, flowers, etc. And I have done it all my life. I have grown about 200 tall trees across India. Besides that, I became part of a WhatsApp group where there are some, amateur singers and musical instrument players. Then one is looking forward to our children coming home or we being able to go there and meet them. My son has not come for last 4 years. We really miss him. We had gone 2 years back in the summers to Canada.
I have studied in Darjeeling. I did a part of my schooling over there. And then I got into business in 1972. And ever since I've been in Hyderabad, harmonica is a passion of mine. I play the harmonica. And we are a part of various groups in India. We share tracks, we listen to people, and that's how I pass my time.
And I'll start with Harbans uncle. And he can rapid fire answer. So all of you can answer like very quick, maybe just the answer. If a movie has to be made on you, I think uncle I've asked you before as well. I'm asking you this again, and all of you as well. If a movie has to be made on Harbans uncle's life, what should the movie be called?
What should be the movie called?
Yes, you can select an existing title.
Khuda Mehrban Gada Palwan.
Okay, great. Okay, especially uncle, what about you?
About me?
Yes, if
It
the
should
movie
be Lakshya.
Sorry.
It should be Lakshya.
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 Great. Movies named Lakshya for SP Singh uncle. Movies named uh, Gada Pahalwan and
Whatever.
sorry, Meherban and Gada Pahalwan uncle said like humorously. Okay, let's go to
Not humorously. It's a fact of it's a fact. Honestly speaking, when we sometime meet, I will be able to tell why it's a fact. Yes,
done uncle, done, point taken there. PP Singh uncle, if a movie is made on you, what should the movie be called?
Uh, around the world,
Around the world, around the
something like that.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good. Sounds good. All of you have been in a generation which has seen a lot of inventions, lot of new creations, lot of new development, lot of what do you say? Let me mute that. Lot of new inventions, new developments, new things that have come to life. Some lot of things that have changed things forever per se, right? So, what is that one invention? What is that one development that you feel as per you stands out from everything else? It could be something very simple or something very drastic. So we'll start with SP Singh uncle. What is that one invention or development, and maybe in a sentence tell us why do you feel it stands out?
I think the internet has actually made the whole world so complex and so simple at the same time. So that I think has been a very big development.
Great. Internet for SP Singh uncle. We'll ask Harman's uncle.
the first thing which surprised me, I mean, I'm talking about 1973, 74, when someone came to me and took out the calculator. So that is the first computer I saw in my life. So he took out the calculator and for any small calculation, he will take out the calculator. And similar calculator I bought at that time, Casio, for 1200 rupees, which is being sold for 100 rupees today. That was made in Japan. Today, then with this, at that time the dollar was, I think, about 6 rupees. And today, when the dollar is 75 or 72, it's being sold for 100 rupees, 125 rupees. That's the calculator. Every time he was calculating, I was checking whether he's right or bluffing. And he proved to be right always.
I think that's quite an amazing answer. Yes. No, absolutely. Why not? I think that is one of the developments, and I think we take it very easy. We see that it's always existing, but then there was a time when it also was invented. Thank you, uncle. We'll go to Papa. As per you.
In my older days, the thing which excited me a lot was the radio. When I first time heard radio, when I was around 6, 7 year age, it was the most exciting thing in my life. I very much remember even till now, Binaka Geet Mala. I remember very much because we were not watching movies also in those days. It excited me, and I still remember the first ad I heard of, Jis Desh Mein Ganga Behti Hai, Raj Kapoor. It was very, very exciting. And thing which excites me today is music technology. The way music technology remixes the Bhangra beat what we are getting, we could never get in our time. The music, how they do mixing up the different instruments. Of course, similarly, the movies, Indian movies have become very, very tech savvy, no doubt. But what excites me of most among that is the music technology, in which the mixing of the different instruments is done so beautifully and imaginative by musical. It is ultimate. It is very good entertainment. But this is what I will. We can choose the technology if I have to choose. Because not everybody is told. That's become a part of life. But music technology is something which is very close to my heart.
Okay, so yes, so we've heard about 3. Let's go to PP Singh uncle.
I think what I can say is what mobile gives us, to which I am talking to you. You can see me, I can see you. This is the greatest thing to happen in the recent past. This gives us so many facilities in one small gadget.
Okay.
On this, we can speak to people, we can look at them, we can get information of all over the world. And anything you have to do, this is the fastest means to, and speaking to our children who are so far away, this is the only means. Had it not been there, it would have been very difficult. So I think this is according to me, a very revolutionary and a very good thing as per me.
Perfect. Great. I think you got answers from everybody. Kantanti, would you also like to answer this question? One technology, koi new, anything that you feel is the biggest invention in the last 50, 60 years?
Mobile is
Mobile.
the thing that happened.
Not WhatsApp.
And of course, in mobile, WhatsApp and comes
Yes,
and,
you-
you make new friends and you can talk to them and see them and all that. That's a great thing.
Great. So I think we've got some interesting answers here. We've seen answer from a calculator, radio, to internet, to WhatsApp, and so I think these are all interesting answers. Okay, let me ask now this one more rapid fire question. So I'm going to ask three questions to each one of you, and I want you to answer without thinking twice. Just answer in one single word and very quick, right? So maybe I'll start with the SP Singh uncle. I'll ask three questions. You answer in a rapid way, right? Okay. Who's your favorite author?
Who's my favorite?
Author. Yes. Right.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay. Who's your
Mahatma
favorite? Great. Who's your favorite singer?
Kishore Kumar.
Okay. Who's your favorite sports person?
He just died. Milkha Singh.
Harbans uncle, who's your favorite actor?
Devanand.
Who's your favorite in business that you really look up to?
In business. I certainly
business.
look to the Tatas. This Ratan Tata right now. G.R.D. Tata was a great example. I can.
Great. Okay. Your favorite singer?
Asa Singh Mastana, and I can just say one word more about Asa Singh. You know, Putta Dasriya, he sang Mirza. And I'll just tell you one line, I'm taking time. Nitumanda kita saiba, mera tarkash talya tang, aage pair, tere pair parama marya, mirze de na koi sang.
Beautiful. I'm glad I asked you this question.
कभी बोल गया.
But it sounded great.
Suddenly.
बहुत सोना साउंड कितना है अंकल, बहुत अच्छा साउंड कितना है. थैंक यू. आई थिंक आई एम ग्लैड दोनों में क्वेश्चन पूछा है. Okay, let me ask PB Singh uncle, what's your favorite city other than Gurgaon that you live in? Which is the other city, the favorite city?
Here in India or outside India?
Anywhere, your choice. Anything top of your mind.
Paris.
Sorry?
Paris.
Okay, great. Tell me your favorite author.
My favorite author, I can say favorite, not exactly author, Lord Byron.
Okay.
Byron, maybe.
Okay. Tell me.
Writes poetry.
Okay, he writes poetry. Yes, of course. What's your favorite?
He used to write old time.
What's your favorite color?
Color. My favorite color is blue.
Okay, great. We'll go to Sony uncle. Uncle, what is your any favorite politician of all time? World politics. Yeah.
I think it would be JF Kennedy.
Okay, great. Tell me your favorite musician.
R.D.
Sorry,
Burman?
I didn't hear, uncle. What's your favorite
R.D.
musician? R.D. Burman. Okay,
R.D.
great,
Burman.
great. Again, same question as I asked P.P. Singh, uncle. What's that one city or country that you like other than the place that you live in?
San Francisco?
Perfect, great. We'll go to Papa. Okay. Who's your favorite actor?
Raj Kapoor.
Okay. Favorite sports person?
Milkha Singh.
Okay. What's somebody who is your favorite in philanthropy? Somebody who's great in philanthropy.
Philanthropy, of course, Jamshedji Tata.
Okay. Great, great, great. Okay. So thank.
Bhakti.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So I think these are interesting answers. Rapid fire. We'll continue with few more questions.
मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम
If you have to, maybe it's not describe your life, but then one song that you connect the most to, or one song that you believe describes your life, anything, that one song that you believe that you like to sing, those two lines of, you can sing. We'll go to SP Singh, uncle.
I think my favorite song would be, which will describe me also in some ways. मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया.
Let's hear those two lines from him.
From me?
Yes, yes, yes,
We'll
yes.
hear it from Colonel P.V. Singh.
No, from everybody, two lines. It's fine. See, it's not about, it's just about the feeling. Let's hear it from him.
Okay. मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा.
Nice. Great, great, great.
Because
Nice.
I think if you hear this song completely, I think you don't need any epic. It says all.
Great. So I think we've got a Devanand special from SP Singh uncle. Let's go to PP Singh uncle.
ये नयन डरे डरे, ये जाम भरे भरे, जरा पीने दो कल की किस को खबर, एक रात हो के निडर, मुझे जीने दो. Thank you.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Great, great to listen to that song. Let's go to Harban's uncle. Thank you.
You know, our SP has already sung the same one, which it has been a philosophy of my life, honestly speaking. Now, I'll just tell you one small incident. My wife just got up. You know, about 22 years back, we had a small get-together at home, and she sang, Abhi to main jawan hu. Now, when a wife sings that, the man feels very happy. Kyodi hoti jawan hai.
And he feels threatened also.
It was a good atmosphere. तो दो तीन पैक एक आध पैक एक्स्ट्रा लाया सी मैं ऊपर जब चला गया and she was holding up the whole thing and by the time she came to the room अपने सौंदे कान तो मेरी आँख खुली तो उसे गा रही सी हो क्या करूँ राम मुझे बुढ़ा मिल गया. Certainly, sometimes you can ask her to sing a song.
Tataji should have permission to retaliate, bhai.
Haji?
Chance to reply it back.
Pardon me?
Tataji should get chance to reply to this.
No,
particular remark.
कांता जी बाहर गए थे मतलब जरूरत की थी गाल करने.
ठीक है uncle. That was a great memory linked to a song. Thank you. We'll go to.
इस तरह गल्ला करते हैं याद आनी है ना गल्ला और की.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. This is exactly this is the aim. Papa will go to you. Hanji.
I'll sing that one.
Hmm.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों से रोकता, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है, जीना इसी का नाम है, जीना इसी का नाम है. Talia. I feel great when I sing this song.
I think it's a beautiful song, and I can say, of course, I can be a little biased and say I think Papa absolutely lives with it. So this song is for him. And Sony uncle, maybe a little short clipping if you like to play the harmonica. You're on mute. You're on mute.
Okay, clear?
Yep.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
I'll play a song. I just called to say I love you.
Okay. Great, uncle. Thank you so much. Okay, great. So yes, thank you so much. I think it's just good to hear those songs, something connected to you, to your heart, and I think we've got talent absolutely in all of you, is what I can see. Okay, let me now next go to a round which says feelings. Okay, I'm going to tell you about 5 feelings. You can select any of that one feeling that you want to and complete a line for yourself. So, for example, the feeling that I'm talking about is happiness, love, peace, excitement, and sadness. Right? You pick up any of the one word from it, and what what links to you. Like happiness for me is when I do this, I'm happy, or when I do this, I feel love. You can pick up any of these one feelings and just make one sentence that describes you or your life. Right? I hope I'm clear here. We will begin with PB Singh uncle, and then just one sentence. Use one of these words. It could be happiness, love, peace, excitement, or sadness.
Happiness starts from within you. You are the one who can make you the happiest person, and you are the one who can make you unhappy.
Thank you. Great. Let's go to Papa.
Happiness for me means sharing, because when you share, your happiness multiplies. Because nothing gives me greater pleasure than doing things together. It is not that I am doing for somebody or somebody is doing for me, doing together. Who may get benefit, who may not get is immaterial. But when you do things together, it gives a lot of joy to me. That is how I define happiness.
Perfect. You can select any of the 5 words, but then thank you for that. Happiness, love, peace, excitement, or sadness? We'll go to SP Singh uncle.
I think happiness is the most popular of the 5 things. And for me, happiness would mean getting up in the morning and looking into the mirror, then doing a good day's job, and then again looking in the mirror while you are retiring to the bed and suddenly finding that you are glowing more than what you did in the morning. So for me, happiness means that.
Great, great. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We'll go to Harbans uncle. Uncle, one of the 5 words: happiness, love, peace, excitement, or sadness. One word that you like to use in the line.
I really don't know what will you call it, but when I see a poor man smiling, feeling good, that gives me enormous happiness. He is happy with small things, and that gives me a great joy. The way these poor people become happy. Whereas on the other hand, if we see very wealthy people, rich people, they are all the time talking about money and money and money. I don't know whether I am off the mark or whatever is there, but I just express what gives me great pleasure, seeing people who are happy with small things.
Great, great. Thank you, uncle. Absolutely, thank you. Kuku uncle.
Maybe off the mark. I may not be to the point, but that's what I immediately can think.
You're absolutely
What
on the
gives
point.
me happy.
You're on the point. Absolutely. This is exactly what we wanted to hear. Everybody, whatever that comes, and you can connect. Kuku uncle, you're on mute. Hanji.
What I feel is if you are content in life, it gives you happiness and it gives you peace. If we have content, I'm content. I don't need anything. Now, if you're not content, a lot of aspirations can be coming to you. Now, but happiness. If I can put a smile on your face and make you happy, that is happiness. I give a small gift to a beggar. I give a beggar something. Now I see a smile on his face. That is what happens.
Perfect. Thank you so much. So I think happiness has been the most popular word or the most popular feeling, I think, is what I'm going to talk. I think it's great to listen from each one of you that, when we look at ourselves, we are not one person, we are many persons in one, right? Because we play many roles. There are many long-term roles that we play, many short-term roles that we play. Many roles we play great, many roles maybe we don't play great, right? So, okay, among all the roles that you played, if you have to pinpoint and say that this is the role I played the best, and this is the role I enjoyed the most, even if I didn't play the best, I enjoyed the most, right? You just name that role and maybe in a sentence say why, right? So let me begin with SP Singh uncle.
I played many roles, and although ideally I should be saying that in my role as a son or a husband or a father, I should have played it the best, and then in that case I'll probably sound biased. So I think to be very fair, in my role as a salesman, when I was head of sales for an MNC, I remember I did so many activities to increase the productivity of the people, their retention, the money that they take back home, reaching out to their families, and making them more productive month after month. So I believe in that role, and the advantage there was that role was being reflected in the daily MIS also. So I can always relate to having played that role well, because the numbers also helped me. But ideally, I would wish to be rated as a great son, and though my parents are both gone, but now my endeavor is to be a reasonably appreciable father. So these are the roles that they are getting attention.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Maybe I'll tweak the question a little, because I think it's difficult to tell that, I know, like what SP Singh uncle said, that it's difficult to say self that I've done this best. It's difficult. One role that you enjoyed the most, right, is what maybe I'll tweak the question to. And maybe I'll ask PV Singh uncle, one role that you've enjoyed the most, or you enjoy the most as yet now also, of course.
One has played so many roles in life,
True.
right from during your professional career, your as a head of family, or as a member of your parents' family, or as a friend, as a follower, as a teacher. So I think the best role which I remember is probably as a leader of men when we were in difficult situations, and I was able to, with my talk or with my leadership qualities or my way I could do it, I could take out and give a smile or give an assurance to people who were working with me, and we could achieve what we wanted to achieve, and keep them happy, keep them encouraged, keep them, give them what you say, we say in Army Josh, keep them their morale high, so that they don't give up, and in the most difficult situation when the things were just going against you, and with your perseverance and with your this thing, you were able to turn the table and achieve what you wanted. So that is probably the best experience or the best role I think I would have played during my life.
Perfect, perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I'll tweak the question a little more again. What is the role that you enjoy the most at this moment? Okay, let us go, because I know what I've asked is too big. It is too vast. We play too many roles. So, what is the role that you feel at this point that you enjoy the most? Right. Let me go to Harbans uncle. Or if you want to even go for earlier, choice is yours. You can do both.
No, just
earlier or now.
I'll just tell you that first of all, I don't do anything which I don't enjoy. Very strictly, if I'm not enjoying something, I'm not doing it. That's number one. Secondly, in my life, I learned quite some time back, many years back, do your duty and forget. And once you do that, then I don't know what is good, what is not good, I don't know. But whatever, whether it is towards different brothers, other relatives, friends, children, neighbors, I mean all. You see, do your duty towards them and just forget about it without thinking once anything in return. That's what.
Sure, uncle. Thank you.
Yeah, this is how I put it. Maybe again off the mark. I don't know. Yes.
No, I think that is what makes each one of us unique. Everybody has a different answer, different perspective. So absolutely taken well. We'll go to Sony uncle. You're on mute again. I'm sorry.
Yeah. The greatest joy I have got is looking after my parents. My father was paralyzed for 6 years. He was at bed. He's completely paralyzed. And thereafter, my mother got sick and she had various surgeries. I looked after them, I managed the finances, and I saw that the finances were taken care of and each sister got their share. So that's the biggest happiness I've got, that I looked after my parents. I have no regrets at all. When we grow up, we forget our parents, we get involved with our own family, we have fights with the family, but that is the greatest joy I've got, is I've been fair to the family.
Great, uncle. Thank you for that. We'll go to Papa. You have to unmute and talk.
Well, my biggest joy in life, I think mainly I've got great excitement in exploring things. And throughout my career, right from my childhood, I've been exploring not always successful. But then I'll come to my current position. Currently, I'm really enjoying myself very much because I'm doing that exploring work quite a lot. Whether I'm doing harmonium or whether I'm doing my writing, I just did something very new. What 4 or 5 days back, I wrote my first fiction story, which uh, it is. I like something new, and it's a God's grace that He has given me lots of opportunity in my professional career. Also, when I was in sing poetry, uh, I could explore quite a lot, whether it was technology or whether it was some new system of management. I could do quite a lot. Second role, which I like very much, I will just make a mention without expanding too much. I like to analyze and monitor things. These both the things I got plenty when I was working in my professional life. And right now, I'm doing a lot of exploring. God is kind to me. That's the only word which I can state. I thank God and I thank all my friends, my son, everybody who helped me in this pursuit. Thank you. I feel great when I discuss about that. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, Papa. Thank you, all of you. I think just good to know. Like I think in this whole exercise, we're getting to know each other a little more better. I think it's that's quite interesting. When was the last time you did something for the first time? Right. As we grow, we keep doing a lot of things for the first time. But after some times, a lot of these first times just go down, right? Because you are repeating a lot of stuff you've done before. However, we still try those new things, maybe very little, maybe just once and leave it. But then we keep trying. It could be trying something new to eat, trying to walk different way, anything. So, when was the last time you did something for the first time, and what was it? Just that activity, and what was it? Right? Let's begin with Papa this time.
Well, I think I just told you, just 4 days back, I've written my first short story, and I liked it so much that I would like to write more stories like that. And I think I've just spoken about it. I mean, anything more you would like to know, I can tell.
Perfect. No, I think that
Thumbs
answer
up.
perfect there. Let's go to Harban Santi.
One big thing which I did last month, in the month of May, all the 31 days, I had great exercise in the morning, starting the day with walk and then my yoga. All the 31 days, I could do it quite well. I don't know whether it is.
Absolutely qualifies. Absolutely.
My focus is right now on my own health, and there is, honestly speaking, I think that's where it comes to mind.
Sure. Thank you. I think absolutely qualifies, and you should feel nice that you've done that full month, and I'm sure it will continue. We'll go to.
Sir, if you are the teacher in the class, I would have been always good, because with the class I always got a beat. I always got beating at least 2 to 3 days, 2 to 3 times in a beat. I'm not doing my work.
I'm not sure.
Throughout my school life.
As a teacher, how much trouble I would have had, I don't know. But then I think I would have loved to have that as well. We'll go to PB Singh uncle.
I think I can safely say that the thing which I recently started and which really started liking is, which I never did in the past, is meditation. That is the first thing now I do in the morning after getting up, after doing the morning call and all. And that is the first thing I do, irrespective of wherever I am, whatever state I am in. That I think it keeps you very happy, and it gives me a lot of happiness. And I'm going to continue. This is what I recently started, which I had
Great.
not ever
No,
done in the
perfect. I think that's a
which I
good
had
one.
not done in the past.
Right, so you did something for the first time. That is meditation. That's good to know. Let's go to SPC uncle.
Okay. I think the last time when we were discussing this session, the idea was to know the unknown side of the participants. Okay, something that many people may not be knowing. So, cooking is one of my hobbies. It has been a hobby for many years now. And it started way back, I think, when I was a very young person, I think just married types. And my father used to actually be very happy with the bhurji that I'll make. Because he'll always say, "Ki, bahadur change nahi banate the, tu bana yaar, tu bana," and all that. And it carried on for many years. A very important incident I would like to share, if anyone knows about him, Colonel P.B. Singh certainly knows about him. I'm talking about a very renowned chef. His name was Jigs Kalra. He was a Sikh gentleman, and I think few of us might be knowing him. He passed away about 1 or 2 years back. He has been one of the best chefs in India, and he was responsible for setting up this Bukhara in Moria, which is ITC Moria. He happened to meet me somewhere and he gave me, his own books of recipes, which for the last 5-6 years, I tried almost every dish that he had mentioned, veg and non-veg. But when one very important, but very, funny thing happened a few days back, I had been actually mentioning that there is a very peculiar way of making bindi. Bindi, we all take every now and then. And as luck would have it, my daughter was after me that you once mentioned that there is a very typical recipe of making bhindis. Why don't you make it? So I asked my wife to get me 1 kg of bhindis, and I'll make it the way nobody has ever made it in our house forever. And neither have we heard about somebody making it like this. So what I did was, and I would request all of you to at least try it once. You can only try it once. It is so time consuming, you won't try it the second time. So the recipe means that you cut the bhindi into 2 and then you take away all the seeds and all that sticky white part inside. And you only are left with the green shell of the bhindi, which you don't have to break while you are cleaning it. So my wife and our Bahadur, who is very effective, he said, "Ki bhaiya ji, aap jao and I'll do it in no time." But I knew he is going to take a lot of time. It took us 1.5 hours to clean 1 kg of bhindi. But then after you make it, it is made like some onions, some hari mirch, and you put those pieces of bhindi. And I can tell you, and good if you make it in desi ghee, I can tell you it beats any non-veg dish when you start eating it. But the only caveat is that it takes about 1.5 to 2 hours to make it. So that was the funniest thing I did about a few days back with a wonderful result, but maybe with a promise that we'll never make it because it is very time consuming. So this is how. But
Yes.
everybody said it bani nahi sakti. It is so.
But yeah, I think it's really interesting to know, and this session is getting recorded. We'll share it. We'll again view it, what all you had put in bindi, so that
But
if you want to
kindly
attempt.
make it once, sure, because it will turn out to be the best bindi ever. You made it.
Great, definitely. I think sounds good. So interesting. Again, I think a few of us have attempted something new not very long back, and I think it's good to know that there's always, I think, scope to do something new. Now, which is that one celebrity, a female celebrity, which made you skip a heartbeat in your younger days and maybe now also? You can name that one actress, writer,
No.
politician, anybody who you saw and you
No,
said,
you see, I'll just tell you.
Hanji.
I come from a period when talking to a female was a taboo. In Batala, I'm talking, in my city.
Hanji.
Now, it's a very difficult question to answer because any lady I would see, any lady, I mean, not beautiful, nothing, I was willing to fall in love with her. So, I don't know what will you say. You go to movie, irrespective of any heroine, you are straight away in love with her. That was our state of mind. But now let me add, because we're ending here, and this should be the last thing. I must tell you, the most embarrassing moment of my life. It is in first week of May, I think 3rd or 4th May. I was sitting in Kathmandu, Hotel Solti. Next time when I went, it became hotel different, 2-3 names. Every time I went, it was a different name. Now, I'm sitting for morning breakfast in a hall with morning breakfast is taken and the hall is usually reasonably full. And we are looking at, and General Manik Shah is coming inside. And he straight away coming to our table. Our table is, we are sitting in a group of 4 or 5 couples. And he just stands before me. Before he could stand here, I was already standing. He just says, Sardar Sahab, I am Manik Shah. It has been the most embarrassing moment of my life, where General Manik Shah introducing himself to Harbans Singh, who was insignificant, who is insignificant. I don't know what is the reason. And afterwards, there was a discussion. कि भाई की गल हैगी ते किस तरह हो गया मैं कहा जिहदी वोटी सोहनी हैगी उत्ते जनरल भी आके उन्होंने सलाम मारदे हैगे ने My wife was quite embarrassed to listen to that, and she told me, you should have sense by talking. मैं कहा मैं तेरी तारीफ कीती हैगी. Right, sir, we go to the
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you. That was, I think, a great experience there. Thank you. And we'll go to SP Singh, Uncle. Yes.
Actually, there is a small story which I'll try to shorten even further. Me as a 10th class student, we used to be in a place called Bhilwara in Rajasthan. And I then used to play basketball. We had a national tournament in Bhilwara. And if you guys know, I think all of us know about him. Ajit Pal Singh used to be our hero in those days. He was the captain of the Indian hockey team, which won the last World Cup that India won in '75. So he was a celebrity, and I'm talking of a female celebrity. Her name was Kiran Grewal. So she was the Punjab captain of basketball. And she was a ravishing young beauty, and I was only 15 years old, and that lady became my first crush. And we were volunteers for the tournament. I also used to play, so bachanu they'll make volunteers. Yeah, you do this and that. And as luck would have it, I was made a volunteer to help the females team of state of Punjab. And I saw Kiran Grewal for the first time, a young lady wearing shorts, and I would like anything wherever she goes. Although I was volunteer, that didn't mean that I have to be with her every time, but I would be after her everywhere. If she is playing, I'm close by. If she is outside, if she's in the market, I'm her and all that. So that was my first crush. And then the tournament ended, and everybody went back, and all grew and got into services and all that. Many back, only about 3 years back. I'm 60 now. I think it was when I was 57. And I am talking about a period that elapsed between close to 42 years. So, and ultimately Kiran Grewal got married to Ajit Pal Singh. So that was the Ajit Pal Singh connection. So I'm sitting in Gurgaon, and where we live, we have a couple who stays just above our apartment. And the lady is a Sadarni married to a Kashmiri. So she would often call me for a drink and for various discussion and stuff like that. So one day while taking a drink, I told her about my first crush. And I told her ki "Is tarah hoya," and I was like a mad boy, you know, I was after her and all that. So she listened to my story patiently, and after say about 10 to 12 days, she just gave me a casual ring and said that SP Aja, her husband's name is Veer. So she said Veer ne Kashmir cuisine banaya hai. I have good whiskey. So I said fine. So I went upstairs. When I go there, there is a family get together actually. There are other people also sitting, 3-4 females with young kids and an old lady, etc. All of them. So we just sit there. I have my first, and when I am through my second and everybody is fine, the host asks me, SP तू कुछ दिन पहला कह रहा सी कि तेरा वो first crush है सी वो की चक्कर सी. So I felt embarrassed. I was also up to pegs, so I said, where is the problem? So I started narrating the story again. So the moment I reached the stage where I said that I had my first crush in Kiran Grewal and she was ravishingly beautiful and all that, my host towards a lady, very elegant even now, and she said that, oh beta, tera first crush, oh beta. So she is a very close friend of Pammy, who's my neighbor. So she happened to be a very close friend of my neighbors, and she said कि तू मैंने उस दिन दस्या सी, and the moment Kiran happened to be our place, I wanted you to come and see your first crush again. And that lady was also very happy, and then we shared a few things about that Bhilwara tournament and all that. So that was about a very embarrassing thing, but at the same time a very titillating moment for me. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you, Uncle. Really good to hear.
Yeah.
And with the story, you absolutely connect better. Thank you. We'll go to PV Singh, Uncle.
I don't have any story to relate, but one incident I remember during our childhood and when we were growing up, we used to be really fascinated by film stars, many of them, and many times we used to go first show also. We used to bunk our class and I used to like this actress Asha Parekh a lot.
Okay.
But I had never thought that I'll get to meet her also one day. And that day actually happened when I was doing young officers course in Devlali. And this course was from January to June 1976. And I think it was February or March. A lot of film stars from Bombay was nearby. That time they used to come. Our commandant had a knack to get them. I remember Helen had also come later on during our 6 months only. And then once we learned that Asha Parekh is going to come, and our officers club that is known as Temple Hill Institute, and she'll be there, and that day there will be a jam session. And I remember there was a very big crowd. Asha Parekh came. She was there with us for about 3 hours. She really danced. She acted on some of the dialogues she had spoken, some movies, and it was a real which I could never imagine that I will be able to see my favorite film star and so closely, and even be able to shake hands with her. That was a great thing. I still remember.
Great. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you so much. So I think we're all having those celebrity moments, and we're meeting them as well. So nothing like that. So again, let's go to Papa, and then Kuku Uncle. Papa, one actress or somebody.
Well, I have always had one crush only, and that was Madhubala. One and only one Madhubala. And I will like to, I really wonder why I like her so much that I like to put it in a song.
Okay.
This song is by Jagmohan, very old singer. Just 2 lines I'll sing.
So,
ये ना बता सकूंगा मैं, ये ना बता सकूंगा मैं, मुझको है तुमसे प्यार क्यों, प्यार क्यों, ये ना बता सकूंगा मैं, ये ना बता सकूंगा मैं. So unexplainable, but Madhupala remains ever favorite for me.
great. I think great. Absolutely very interesting. Thank you, Pa. And Kuku uncle.
In the younger days, we used to see a lot of movies. Any actress came on the screen, she was the most beautiful. Whether it was Madhubala, whether Vaida Rahman, whether Mala Sena, yeah, she is the best. Yeah, I wish I could be married to her. But now I feel Hema Malini has kept her dignity very well. She has kept herself very well, and she is not, I would say, very dignified, I would say, and maybe because of Dharmendra or because of, but she has kept herself very well, and I admire her.
Great. Cool. Thank you so much. Before we possibly vanish, maybe any 2 closing lines from each one of you. It could be a message that you want to maybe share for your family, friends, because maybe this will be consumed by them. We'll share this clip so that your family and friends can see it. How was the experience, or a message that you want to give to them? Any 1 or 2 lines that you want to just close the session with, and then we'll possibly end the session with that. Let me begin with Kuku uncle. Yes.
With me, wow. One second. I will say be safe, and because of this COVID times, don't venture too much. It is a very dangerous disease, and it can take your life. We of course want to, go out. We're so suffocated. I've seen my sister; she had COVID, and she went through hell. So just be safe. And I know getting confined to the house very suffocated, but just bear with it and wait for good times to come.
Great. So good times are ahead. Let's just wait, and let's go to PB Singh uncle.
I just want to say to my children that wherever you are, whatever you are pursuing, whatever you are doing, I wish that all your dreams are fulfilled and you achieve whatever you are striving for.
Thank you, uncle. Thank you for that. Let's go to Harbans uncle.
Take life easy, or खुश रहो सब जने होती है. Take life easy the way it is. I mean, rather than it's very simple. It's very simple to be happy, even though it's difficult to be simple. That's the only problem. I don't know why people suffer so much. It's quite easy to be happy. Thank you.
Great. Thank you, uncle. We'll go to SP Singh uncle.
I think I'd like to convey my deepest gratitude to my immediate family. I am what I am because of them. And I say in all sincerity that last about 30-35 years that I have raised this family, actually I have learned every bit from them. So I think the whole lot from my wife, and then from my son, and now from my daughter with whom I am working. So I am highly indebted to them, and I give them an assurance that I'll try to be as helpful and benevolent to them as I could be as a person. Other than that, the extended family has been a great support. Without them, I wouldn't have done what I have been able to do. And I assure them that I'll try to be very good to them, very, very helping, and at the same time, somebody they'll be proud of.
Okay. Thank you so much, SP Singh uncle. Papa, you wanted to speak a couple of lines and then we'll close. Hanji.
Well, I think today I'm repeating what I told earlier also. For me, sharing is happiness. And today was an opportunity where we have shared many moments together. So it has made me very happy. So my first wish is that we do it more often. More often, we share such moments together where we learn, we explore. Exploring again, I've mentioned that I like exploring things. This is also a way of exploring your own self as well as you learn from others. But it was very enjoyable. Sharing is enjoyment for me, sharing is happiness for me. Thank you so much to you and thank you to everybody.
I know.
Let us do it more often. Thank you.
Good. I think thank you so much, Aryanu. I think we had a great time, and it was so good to hear each one of you, from Bindi to Hema Malini, from calculator to internet, from mobile to songs. I think it was all very nice. And
You forgot Bindi.
Bindi, I started with Bindi. I said from Bindi.
Okay.
And, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I really enjoyed it. Thank you, all of you. And
Thanks, Manmeet. Thank you, Manmeet, for being so good every
Sat Shri
time.
Akal.
Thanks very much. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sat Shri Akal, Aryanu. Sat Shri Akal. Hanji.
Sat Sri Akal, Sat Sri Akal, Sat Sri Akal.
Hanji.